And in today's video we are going to create this look for a Christmas party or a special occasion, birthday, or just if you're feeling super glam, an everyday look. Beginner friendly. It doesn't really matter which palette you use, it's your choice. I'm using this one. So I'm going to use the transition shade, which is a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm using the fluffy blending brush just to sweep backwards and forwards just above my crease. You need to be quite patient and just build up the colour in small stages. And I'm applying this transition shade higher than my actual natural crease, and for more hooded eyes you would go a little bit higher. And going the darker shade, we're going to intensify the crease and the outer corner. Using a clean blending brush, I just want to blend any lines. That's the key to the blending. And a little tip, if you feel like you've gone too dark, just take a small amount of the medium shade that you used to begin with and apply it so it softens the darkness and it diffuses up towards the brow bone. With your shader brush, just on my brow bone. You see how it pops. Now I'm going to clean up on my eyelid using my concealer. And you'll notice that I'm going to apply the concealer actually above where the crease is on my eyelid. And this is especially great for hooded eyes, so just go beyond where your natural crease is. And by doing that, you're going to create the illusion of more lid space. Look how pretty this rosy shimmer is. I like to use my fingertip to apply it because I find you get a better colour payoff. And then on the outer corners I like to really darken it up to create gorgeous depth and smokiness. And this here is a little pencil brush, which is great for sort of doing detailed work or for smoking out underneath your lower lash line. The key is not to bring the eyeshadow on the outer corner down too far, because you're kind of like trying to lift it upwards. If you feel you've gone too far, just get tissue. I'm going to line my lower lash line just to balance things up, and also join it to the outer corner just to make things joined up. A bit of mascara, lashes, lip line, and a touch of lip gloss and a bit of highlight. And now guys, I have a question for you. I am going to try and upload at least once a week, so I'm asking you, let me know in the comments below when is a good time to upload my videos for you. Have a great day everyone, take care, bye for now.